Hello everybody and welcome to my unboxing video of the Ktc monitor. I picked it up real cheap. It's a monitor 27-inch QHD. Yeah, there's not much on the box here. LCD monitor. Yeah, there is not so much on the box. Yeah, I want to tell you what is on it. Yeah, it's a wide monitor. It's an ultra wide monitor. I picked it up real cheap. I think how much? 120 euros. Normally it costs around 300 euros. So I picked it up real cheap. So we are going to unbox it now. I will put all the details in the description. Please don't forget to subscribe because we are giving away nice prizes to subscribers of our channel. So you only have to subscribe and you will get notified when you win something. So this is the monitor. Okay. Voila. This is just a box. It's nothing special. What we have here, that's a power supply or an adapter, how do you say it? Then we also have an HDMI cable, HDMI. That's I'm not sure how long it is. 1 or 2 meters, I think. Voila, HDMI. I think it's 1 meter, something like that. This is some kind of manual. Then we have the mounting, the stand. So this is the stand, and then we have here. This is also for the stand. I was, yeah, they told me that the stand was nothing special. It does not have a VESA mount, so you cannot use that. But it's very easy, it just clicks in. It's very easy. So then we go to this. Okay. Yes, here we have the monitor. We have here the monitor. Here you see it, Ktc monitor. I will put a full review from the monitor in the second video. So this is the stand, and I believe that we just can slide it in like that. I'm not going to break it, so it'll take some time. Okay. Oh yes, I see it. You just have to slide it in, and there is a button at the end. Voila, and it clicks. Voila. This is it. The Ktc monitor. Yeah, I'm going to make a full review of that. So if you want to know more, you have to see the review on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe because we are giving away nice prizes. And yeah, I see you later. Bye bye.